Hi, welcome back everyone. This is Matthew Cox. Today I'm going to be reviewing some of the best tool sets. After doing research, I found these tool sets that are truly the best on the market right now. I've embedded the links to the products in the video description so you can check them out. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Crescent CTK170 CMP2 170-piece mechanics tool set. Our number one best rated set of mechanics tools is Crescent CTK170 CMP2. New and updated from their previous version, their improved blow mold case is now much sturdier and crack resistant. First and foremost, you're getting all the essential components to working on vehicles. You get various sized ratchets, various sized sockets, deep and shallow, adjustable pliers, adjustable wrenches, screwdrivers, various screwdriver bits, hex wrenches, and socket extensions. For sturdiness and durability, this Masters Mechanics tool set meets ANSI and ASME specifications. It would take too much time to name each socket and ratchet included, as there's 170 pieces in total. To see what's in the box, view their official Amazon page. To wrap up this tool set, we just wanted to go ahead and say it's an excellent mechanics set of tools. It's for beginners, intermediates, and even professionals from every aspect of the automotive industry. Nearly 500 individual user reviews have given this car toolkit 4.7 stars out of 5. Stanley STM T7-1654 201-piece mechanics tool set. This offering from Stanley is undoubtedly the most tools you'll get for just $60. We place this set of tools as the number 2 contender for two main reasons: overall user satisfaction and the 201 pieces of tools for just $60. Much like a few above-mentioned tools, this set of car tools is geared towards a starter mechanics kit. You'll get every size for sockets, various ratchets, various screw bits, and wrenches. All of this is easily stored in a polycarbonate plastic case, which is prone to cracking and breaking. Whether you're a mechanic or a do-it-yourself type of guy, this set of tools is a great way to start fixing vehicles. Craftsman 230-piece mechanics tool set. We know Craftsman for making everything under the sun, from tools to lawnmowers. This set of tools is one of the better value propositions, although costing a bit more than the Stanley set of tools, primarily because you're getting 20 more pieces of tools. Essentially, you'll be getting everything we've already mentioned, except it's from Craftsman. What's great about Craftsman is that you're able to get everything with the exception of screwdriver bits to be covered under factory warranty. With over 60 individual reviews, this Craftsman set receives an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars.